Jahan Arabatu, who is representing the Social Protection Program Punjab, Honorable Consul General, Country Director GIZ, European Union, German Development Corporation, government representatives and our valued developmental partners, Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to all of you here. It's an honor to be a part of the second National Protection Conference. Your presence here reflects shared commitment to strengthening Pakistan's social protection system. This conference is a continuation of the journey that was started in 2023, which laid a strong foundation by promoting dialogue, identifying challenges, and opening the path for integrated and collaborative governance in social protection. We again once come together to renew our dedication to create a more resilient, inclusive, and adaptive social protection system. I would like to talk briefly about the organization that I am representing here, that is the Beinazir Income Support Program. As you all very well know, that this was the vision of our late former Prime Minister, Muhtarama Shaheed Beinazir Bhutto. She strongly believed that no nation can truly progress if its most vulnerable, its women, children, and marginalized communities are left behind. She envisioned a Pakistan where social protection is not a privilege, but a fundamental right. It was this steadfast commitment to the poor that led to the establishment of the Beinazir Income Support Program in 2008, the largest social safety network that is working across Asia. I would like also to take this opportunity to say this here. This program is not only a social protection program, but it has worked for the recognition of women all across Pakistan. All those faceless, nameless women who otherwise would not have been given an identity, this program has given identity to all those women who otherwise would not have been accounted for. The uniqueness of this program is that it recognizes the woman as the head of the household. And by adding a feature to it, that there has to be a registration into the national database, you have to have an identity card led to the documentation of those thousands and hundreds of women which otherwise would not have been registered with any organization. So I think this program, the beauty of this program is not only that it's a social protection program, but it is a tool of that has ensured gender equality in our country, and it has given identity to all these women, which is, I think, it should be celebrated. As I myself belong to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, coming from a tribal society, before this program was launched, there was no idea that the women would be registered, because they were not allowed to vote as well, because they were not having identity cards. But this program, by making this condition of registration, has ensured that not only these women are getting financial help, they also have the right to vote by having an identity card, of course. Over the past 15 years, Beinazir Income Support Program has evolved into a multidimensional social protection program addressing poverty, education, health, and economic inclusion. Allow me to share some of its impactful contributions here. BISP's unconditional cash transfers provide a lifeline to 9.8 million families, ensuring they receive quarterly financial support to meet their basic needs. This program is especially critical for women-headed households, empowering them with financial security and dignity. Through Beinazir Talimi Wazaif, BISP has enrolled over 10.7 million children, with 50% being girls. Then again, it is a tool for empowerment for women, for the future of the women of Pakistan. Through Beinazir National Program, that too is a flagship program, and it is transforming maternal and child health by providing nutrition support to pregnant and lactating mothers all over the country. By prioritizing early childhood development, we are ensuring a healthier and stronger future for our next generation. One of BISP's most remarkable achievements is the development of Pakistan's first dynamic national social registry, that is the NSCR. And just before me, there was a mention of the devolution of this program to the provinces, which I strongly believe in, it should be done. But as far as the dynamic registration is concerned, it should be, it has to be with the federal government. Because as NADRA is doing registration, it is doing registration for all the country. So I think Beinazir Income Support Program should be the data holding body, because if it is devolved and given to the provinces, maybe it will in some way be compromised. This is my belief, I may be wrong. So we are also launching a new skills development initiatives. There was a talk here about poverty graduation programs as well. So at the moment, we are making things easier for people, but we want to make lives better for people. Not only easy, but better. So through our new initiative of skills training program, we aim to achieve that target. And another thing is that unlike NADRA's identity verification system, BISP National Socio-Economic Registry provides socio-economic classification, enabling targeted support for those who need it the most as a real-time dynamic database. That's what I was referring to it before. NSCR allows continuous updates and accurate beneficiary identification. Today, NSCR facilitates over 95 social sector programs at federal and provincial level. We are ensuring that resources reach the most vulnerable segments of the society. Ladies and gentlemen, our mission does not end here. The challenges of poverty, climate change, and economic instability demand even stronger social protection mechanisms based on best practices globally. Today, as we stand at this conference, I call upon our development partners, policymakers, and stakeholders to join hands in strengthening Pakistan's social protection framework. We must expand the reach of BISP programs to ensure that no one is left behind. Additionally, we must enhance federal-provincial coordination, as was discussed here before, to create an integrated social protection ecosystem. And before I conclude, I would like to extend my deepest appreciations to the World Bank, the Asian Development Bank, and our international development partners for their strong support in driving social protection innovations in advancing an adaptive and resilient social protection system for Pakistan. The government remains fully committed to strengthening and expanding social protection to uplift our most vulnerable communities. Together we have made remarkable progress. Together we will continue to build a Pakistan where every citizen has the opportunity to live with dignity and security. A sincere thank you to all our federal and provincial stakeholders for their contribution, and a special thanks to the government of Sindh for hosting, and also to Johanna for organizing this wonderful conference. Thank you very much.